Only one more night, Morphle, and then... Christmas present!
Morphle get a big present.
We will see tomorrow morning. And the sooner we go to sleep, the sooner it will be morning.
Yay! Morphle asleep.
And another great cold surprise for the pile. I think we have enough, Yorn.
Yeah, this year everybody will get coal in their present from Santa.
Like we do every year. Let's deliver them.
Let's see. Who will get one of my presents?
Santa, my man. Looks like you're done for this year.
I am?
Well, everybody already has presents. Take a look.
But I didn't deliver those.
Looks like you have a secret helper then. You should enjoy your free night.
Well, I could use the free time. I still have some Christmas movies I need to watch.
Great. Don't let us keep you. Bye, Santa.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Santa?
We are so clever.
Santa is gone, and now everybody will wake up with coal in their presents.
Coal? No! We need to find Santa, and fast. Come, Morphle. Morph into a sleigh, Morphle. Santa couldn't have gone too far. Let's go.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa.
Santa,
Huh?
wait! Santa, you have been tricked by the bandits.
Tricked? What do you mean?
The bandits delivered those presents, but there's only coal inside.
That's terrible. But it's almost morning, and none of the children have a present from Santa.
We can help you, right, Morphle?
Yeah!
I'm glad we've made it. I couldn't have done it without you two. But what to do with this heap of coal?
Well, I think I have an answer for that.
Look, Stein. Santa left us presents.
Really?
Coal.
Oh, boy.
And this one's coal. And this one. And this